Hello everyone, welcome to Login Giants. In this video, we'll learn how to unfollow everyone on TikTok at once. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Unfortunately, TikTok does not currently offer a feature to unfollow everyone at once. To unfollow users, you need to go to each user's profile individually and click on the following button to unfollow them. This can be a time-consuming process if you follow a large number of users. Even if we can't unfollow everyone at once from our end, we could still send a request to the TikTok support. So for that, open up your profile and click on the three horizontal line at the upper right corner. And now from here, tap on Settings and Privacy. Once you land on the settings page, scroll down and select Report a Problem under the Support and About section. Now from here, select Account and Profile under Topics. Select Editing Profile. And now scroll down and tap on Others from the drop-down menu. From here, click on Need More Help. After that, briefly write down your issue under the Tell us your feedback statement. And once you're done writing everything down, click the Submit button. Now your report would be submitted to the support. And they'll review everything and will respond to you. We hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.